You think the little guy's gonna fall off?
Yeah. Not a lot of
How
fans
many
out
of
there.
those people are NASCAR fans?
What's that?
Yeah, that's right. Waiting for that wreck around turn 3. Here we go.
Yeah.
Marlon.
The knives.
Hey, he's so dainty about it. Give Marlon a round of applause. Thanks for coming out, Marlon. Perfect time for a photo op. Here we go. First we have the singles, the singles, the singles. Yeah! How about the doubles, the doubles, the doubles? Yes!
You can do it!
Win! My last trick, I will now throw the knife over my shoulder for you being a great audience. Here we go. There's one. For my cat Butterscotch. 2, and the lady that help me pump my gas at the Conoco gas station. Number 3. Yeah!